guys, it's Karolina here. I would like to show you my to-be katana that it's ready to be primed and then painted, so it's almost done. All the details are already here. I made them with EVA foam and foam clay as the whole project as well. And the katana is detachable so that I can travel with it easily. And I am going to share with you more of my stories with that katana, as we call it, on my Discord, because it is sometimes a frustration and pain. But I think from now on it will be better. Please. Anyway, I am going to share with you my stories, obviously, and my stories on newsfeed. But I want you to know that I'm also recording the whole process. How is it going? And after it's done and I have time, I will edit it and create a tutorial video of how I made this katana. So bear with me, give me strength, and we'll soon be done. Yay, and over.